Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Amazing Charts. We have done this analysis on the EOD charts of 8th November 21, that is Monday chart. We have found out two very interesting charts which are actually trading at very lower level, and but the prices are currently in a crucial position. So that is why we have picked these two charts for you to analyze. You can keep these two charts in your watch list and track the price movement. So first chart, if you see the daily chart, this is the daily chart. If you see the daily chart of this particular stock, you will see that it is forming some bullish candle supported by good volume. Then it is forming a consolidation. Then again, it is forming some bullish candles here with good amount of volume, and then it is consolidating in this particular range. And see the Monday candle. Monday candle, for the first time after this July, August, this Monday candle is forming well outside this particular resistance line. So that means the price is trying to go up. That is for sure. But the only worry thing here for this candle is that candle is no doubt a very good bullish candle, but it is not. The volume is not that great. So volume has to be significantly more for giving a confirmation on the bullish side. But the thing is that since this is only Monday candle, we'll see the weekly analysis also, weekly chart. Here, this is the weekly chart. In weekly chart also, because only one day has been traded in this week, so this is the Monday candle. It is not another 5 days trading is there. So and this volume is not that great compared to the other volume. So but still 4 days of trading are there. So let us hope this volume will increase further, and this breakout will sustain. If this breakout sustains, then it has good room for going up. And how much it can go up by seeing this particular monthly chart we can understand. But you might be wondering how why this particular trend line is put here, because normally when any trend line is drawn, it is drawn at the bottom level or top level. But here I have drawn this trend line in the middle of the bar chart. It is piercing the charts actually. To understand this particular trend line, let us go to the browser. I'll show you in the browser why I have drawn this trend line in such this fashion. So this is the browser, TradingView browser, and here you see this same chart is there. The trend line is it kind of piercing each and every bar in this particular zone. So to understand that, let us go to the daily chart. In daily chart also, see this trend line. It is showing from here, and it is not at the bottom of the level or at the top of the level. It is in the middle. So to make you understand why it is like that, see when you are trying to uh, set the trend line, draw the trend line for a long term investment purpose. So we should not use the like tail position or shadow position. We should always try to draw the trend line from closing point of view. So how to get the closing? Because every bar it shows the open, high, low, close. So those four parameters are reflecting in each of the bars. But we are interested in knowing the current, the closing position of each of the day. and from there we'll try to draw the trend line. So how to do that? So instead of a bar chart, you go to line chart. Line chart represents closing of each of the day price. So this is the line, and you see from March onwards it is forming this particular pattern. And look at this trend line. This trend line, whenever price goes to hit that trend line, closes near the trend line, it is deflecting back. Similarly, here it has tried to go beyond this trend line. Again, it has come down. Again, same zone. Lot of consolidation has happened. Then again, tried to break it. Again, coming down to this particular area, and it is going back. Similarly, see how many times this particular trend line has been respected by the price movement of this particular chart. Finally, it has tried to go below this trend line, but it is given a good support here from this is August onwards, and finally it has come to the outside of it has taken support on 3rd November candle, and from the 3rd November candle it has taken support on 8th November. It has convincingly closed above this particular blue color trend line. Similarly, if you see the uh, weekly chart also it is respecting the trend line is being respected very beautifully multiple times. So that is why this trend line has some significance. That is why I have drawn this trend line like this. Now, if you see the bar candle, it is taking support. Last week it has taken support. 1st November candle, it is showing that it is taken support here, and it has this week's candle. It is forming totally outside this particular zone. Now you understood why this trend line was drawn and what is its importance. Now let us go to our analysis. So if this particular trend line break is sustained, then it has enough room to go up. So how much it will go up? Like see, you see the monthly chart. In monthly chart, this particular trend line, blue color trend line, it is showing it is just breaking. But in this month, only for 3 4 days have been trading has been done, so the volume is very less. It is not that great compared to the previous month's volume. But we hope, because the way it is forming this price movement, we hope that this particular volume will rise as we move ahead in this month. Suppose this particular trend line, this particular resistance is uh, broken, then it will come out from this zone and it has room up to 280 without any much resistance in between. It can have a smooth ride till 280. So this is not a prediction. We are just analyzing based on the price movement, and we will, if at all we are convinced on the subsequent follow-up price movement, then we can trade after following the strict stop loss somewhere here. So that is our idea, is to observe this particular price movement from Tuesday onwards, and if we find a suitable place, then take a trade, take a position with proper stop loss. So what is the name of this particular stock? So name is Crest Ventures. So Crest Venture belongs to hospitality and hotel segment sector. And as you know, in our last video also we had discussed about this opening of COVID pandemic lockdown restrictions. So after that, a lot of hotel industry, lot of travel industry, entertainment industry, they are actually doing good, and they are looking forward to do a good business, which were in fact in closed state till the lockdown period was there. So now we are not going to the fundamentals of this stock, but from the price action analysis, we are able to see that this is forming a bullish pattern. Now we'll go to the next. This is the fresh venture. We'll go to the next chart. The next chart is this one. This is the daily chart, and it is forming nice consolidation in one range. See, we are not suggesting any chart which is broken out from the consolidation zone and momentum is actually started. Suppose some chart is breaking out from the consolidation zone and taking the momentum. That time, if we identify, then it has no point because the chart is already moved. So our stop loss is becoming wider. So instead of suggesting you the charts after it actually breaks out, so we are suggesting inside that consolidation zone, because if you observe in this the price action in this particular consolidation zone, then you may get a chance to take the trade at a bottom level before momentum. So before momentum picks, if you are able to identify the stock, then that will give a good return compared to where the momentum is already started. So we are not showing, we are not telling that this will break out from here and it will start moving up. No, we are only focusing on the price movement. See here, this particular bullish candle, it has formed on Monday and it is supported by very good volume. So that means it is trying to, if at all it breaks out, it will definitely, it will go at the upper side because of this high volume. If it breaks out, see here also large volume was there, but it is not the breakout did not happen. Similarly, here also large volume is there, but breakout did not happen. Here also large volume is there, breakout may or may not happen, but we'll track this. We'll track this if the breakout happens and it comes to a favorable level, then we can take the trade with the proper stop loss. So this is the daily chart, and if you see the monthly chart also, monthly chart from March 2020 onwards, it is forming a nice consolidation, and it is trying to break out from this zone. It has tried many times during during June, July, August, September, but it has not successfully done so. So and previous weeks also, you see the volume action. Volume action shows that people are bullish, and after during the volume action, it has tried to break out, but it is not actually um, going beyond this particular range. Now this is again trying to break out. This week's candle with a good volume, only one day of trade has been done, and it is showing good volume. We hope that from Tuesday onwards, still volume will more volume will be traded and the volume will be increased, and this candle may go up. So this is not, this is the weekly. This is actually not daily. This is the weekly. So candle may show further bullishness. So this is the weekly chart, and from there, if we see the monthly chart, picture will be more clearer. See, this is the monthly chart, and this consolidation is happening from July, I mean May to 2020, and it is trying to break out from this consolidation zone. If this volume, this is a monthly candle, and only 3-4 days of trading has been done during this month, and the volume is looking very less. But we hope that the price movement, by looking to the price movement, we hope that it is trying to break out from this particular zone. So if it succeeds, then we can take a trade at a particular I mean favorable level with a proper strict stop loss. Then this particular stock has a room to go up to 1,000. So see how much potential this particular stock is having without any restriction, without any major resistance. This particular, this had a smooth fall from 2017-18 onwards, and it is trying to consolidate quite good amount of time, like 1 year or so, maybe 1.5 year. Then after that, it is trying to go up. So if this breakout sustains, then it will have a smooth ride up to around 900 or 1011. So this is the monthly chart, and uh, this is the second chart we're suggesting. And what is the name of this particular stock? Name is Enil Entertainment Network Limited. The symbol is ENIL. ENIL is Entertainment Network Limited. So this particular again stock, the name suggests that it belongs to the entertainment industry. As you know, like the Crest, this is also entertainment and industry, and these two um, sectors were badly affected during COVID pandemic, and it is trying to rise up. So it is also reflected in their respective price also. So that is how we have picked this stock. So we have suggested two stocks. One is Crest, and second one is Anil. So this is our analysis for today. And if you like this video, like this type of analysis, then please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring more such videos in future. So in our next video, we are planning to give you very interesting analysis. We'll be showing different patterns of current charts. So, like bullish patterns they are making currently. So that kind of video we are planning to bring in the current week. So stay tuned to this channel and subscribe to this channel so that you can get a good information on that. Thank you very much.